Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do, though, is actually a little house cleaning. I'm just going to delete this line out of here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not necessarily relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So just get rid of that for now. But the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from last week, hopefully you remember me talking about 505 as that level of resistance, and you can see, kind of from theory to reality, price broke above it this morning, and then several times throughout the course of the day, it pretty much just rode right along that area. So far so good. The price is holding above there, and that's certainly going to be the ideal situation. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 505, I'm not saying the entire chart is now ruined or anything like that. Not only do you still have that green line that I deleted, but before that level would even be tested, still got the nicely upsloping 50-period simple moving average, that purple line there that you'd want to see act as support. So in other words, there's quite a few supports now starting to form. So by no means is 505 a do or die level or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power for the bulls. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report, just kind of confirmation. Although right there didn't quite hit it, it got somewhat within the range of it. But right around 525-ish is going to be that key battleground going forward. But at the end of the day, as long as the price continues to build higher bases, which it's been doing, or in other words, just stay above that purple line as that line itself moves higher and higher, then yeah, the bulls are in full control. So the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.